Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. Have you ever wondered that is there any way to download multiple WhatsApp images on PC? If yes, then you are at the right place. In this video, I will show you how to download multiple WhatsApp images at once on PC. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp and folder where you want to store images in multitasking window. If you wonder how to do this, let me tell you. Simply take one of them and drag it to top right or left corner, where you want to settle it. After this, open Chat, from where you want to download pictures. Now right-click on any one of them. Then click on Select. Now select all pictures you want. Now simply paste it on your folder, and boom, you have successfully saved all photos from WhatsApp to PC. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.